Good morning. Today is Friday, November 14th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Bon Homme Richard. There were a few concerns that the owner had, one being right on the starboard side, believing that it was taking in water, or that there was some spot that could have been taking in water. I didn't see anything. I'm going to video that area, and then I'm also going to make sure to video all of the zincs. All of the zincs, in my opinion, look good. So we'll go ahead and we'll get the video of that. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.